Okay, Catherine, so we're going to have a little look at your first attempt at some traditional portrait drawing. And what I've done there is I've just moved Cristiano into shot. Now, the success criteria that I set for your home learning task and the key areas that you're going to be marked on are your ability to proportion and position the facial features accurately. Now, what we can see is that you've used the grid that I suggested to divide the area of the head up into 4 quarters vertically and 2 halves horizontally, and this use of the grid is good. It's allowed you, or it's certainly helped you, to position the facial features really well. You've accurately positioned all of the facial features, with the possible exception of the hairline, which actually on the kind of your average Joe, your average person, falls on this top line. In Cristiano's case, yeah, about there I think, as we look. So that hairline needs to come down a little bit. So you can have a look at that, and you can feel free to rub out the line I've just made and redo it a little bit more accurately when the time comes, I should say. So that's one of the big areas for improvement. Get that hairline in, and the second thing I'd say to make him look a little bit more like Cristiano would be just to broaden this jawline. We drew in class the average jawline, the kind of average person, but if you look at the image of Cristiano, he's got this quite masculine, quite broad jawline. So I'm just going to do one half, and you can use this line and do the other. You'll see that the jawline comes out, and it comes quite low, and he's got this quite broad chin. Okay, so I'm just drawing that into there, and then you would kind of rub out this line. But I think once you make these little improvements that are being suggested, you're going to find that you've got a really valid attempt at our first traditional portrait drawing. Okay, so excellent so far. A couple more improvements, and you're going to have a brilliant portrait drawing. Well done.